Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Sheffer and welcome to Lesson 2 on Google Slides, and this is on how to create a new presentation. So we'll begin by tapping on the Google Slides app, and we will tap on the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner as I demonstrated in the first lesson. And rather than choose template, we're going to tap on New Presentation, which is the little pencil icon at the bottom. The first thing that will appear is a new presentation dialog box, which allows us to name our presentation. It's really important that you do this, otherwise everything in your Google Slides app will be called Untitled Presentation, and it will be very difficult to find your various presentations. So I'm just going to suppose I did a research project on the lion. So I'm going to tap the name and then hit Create. And you'll see that that presentation will automatically open. So what you see here are blank slides. And I'm going to show you the various slide layouts in another lesson. But for now, if you notice, it's just a blank slide with two text boxes. And if you would like, you can do the same thing that we did in the last lesson. You can tap on those three dots in the upper right-hand corner. And you can also access the theme templates from here as well, even if you tapped on New Presentation. And you can do the same thing. You can select a template based on your needs and a color scheme that would correspond with your topic. So if you were doing the lion, for example, maybe you wanted an orange color. You can choose whatever color you'd like for that presentation. Now, if I tap on that back button in the top left-hand corner that's next to my presentation name, the lion, you'll see all of my presentations. And if I wanted to change the name of my presentation, I can tap on those three dots next to the name of my presentation, and I can tap on Rename, which is the pencil icon. It's about halfway down that menu, and I could rename it. So maybe I could say the King of the Jungle. And then I can rename it like so. So again, two options for beginning a presentation. Either one is going to allow you to select those themes that I showed you previously, and it's really just your preference. So in the next lesson, we're going to learn how to add text to a presentation.